To run printer troubleshooter in Windows 10 Home, open Settings, click or tap set menu icon, and then click or tap Settings. Select Update and Security, and then select Troubleshoot. Click or tap Additional Troubleshooters, and then select Printer, Find and fix problem with printing, and then select Run the troubleshooter. Allow the troubleshooter to run and then answer any question on screen. If you see a message that no changes or updates were necessary, you can try recovery option or find out more about Outlook error codes and upgrade and installation error code. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.